Okay, hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I took the intended covering for the aquarium top at the glass shop because, as you have seen by now, the intended cover for the center gallon was to be a glass covering, right? Okay, so the glass cutter originally where I went in town in Kingston, Jamaica. He was very professional. He knew everything that he was supposed to do. He drilled the holes within the glass accordingly so as to make the cuttings within the glass, and this would actually prevent the glass from actually running as far as the glass actually breaking where it's not supposed to be, right? Is tools of trade, the whole saw for glass, along with water and boring solvent, right? All of this was applied, and the holes were nicely cut, and everything was like organized, and it was cut out, right? Now the glass that I used was tinted glass, and this, as I shared with in other videos before, was meant to be for aesthetic purposes, right? So all holes were actually cut out, and it was supposed to be clean and simple. Everything was good, at least according to my estimation. Now, originally what I did was to share with my client that I intend to use two planter lights on cascade to place on the top of the aquarium. Now, in sharing with my client that I'm going to be getting these two lights, and I actually shared with them exactly where the lights were. What they did, what one of my clients did, husband and wife, she actually purchased the lights, and I myself actually purchased the lights. And so when we went down, I understood that they were going to purchase the aqua clear 70 um, gallon aquarium HOD filter, right? But I never knew that they were going to purchase the lights. So I actually purchased two lights, and my client purchased two lights, so we ended up with four, right? So when like going down there and placing the glass cover on the aquarium, in which you have actually seen already, we realized that um, we needed four spaces. Here the original glass cutter actually cut um, two glass spaces, so that the insert for the lights will actually go within these spaces, right? Now these spaces were cut 4 inches wide when they should have been cut at least 6 inches wide. Now, as you can see, the space is being cut. The holes are drilled first, and after the holes are drilled, the lines are actually um, drawn along a set path measured by a straight edge, and the glass is actually cut. Right, the glass is tapped, so that the glass will actually be easily I call it now taken off using a pliers, right? So all of this work out nice. Sandpaper, two holes were drilled in the middle, everything, right? Okay, so I'm going to the the location in St. Anne, realized that we needed two more spaces. So we went by a glass cutting company somewhere in St. Anne, where instead of using the instrument that they draw the lines on, they actually used what you call a glass cutter with a blade. It was so neat. It has batteries, and it has a battery, and it has water that sprays out on the blade, and as it sprays, it cuts. It cuts, right. The gentleman also used the knife-like instruments to get the fine cuttings. But in cutting this section of the glass, that's the second slot wherein which the light was supposed to go in. Pop, the light, the the glass actually broke, right? He misaligned the line, and you know what happened, the glass actually had a cut in the middle. Now, it's the aquarium itself with the cover, glass cover, still look aesthetically no neat to me, right? However, you know, it is not something that you would really like for your client. I wanted a fully covered, glass covered aquarium top. This was not to be, but still, I'm still loving it. Yeah, I know I have a nice cascade set of lights at the top, four to be exact. The aquarium is well lit. The pump is like, it's crazy, it's cool, right? Aqua Clear 70, so I no longer need the air pump and the box filters and all that, because as I shared with you in a video before, this aquarium have actually transformed over the years, moving from barbs and tetras to convicts and Jack Dempsey. Now we are at Emboma and some other cichlids, and the colorful nature of the Emboma and the colorful cichlids have actually, you know, sparked the interest of my client. So he likes them. So he would like to, you know, have that type of, you know, fish within the space. And with these fish comes different care, and one of such care is a kind of heavy filtration in a sense, because they poop a lot more than the barbs and the tetra. So as a result, the you know the filtration system was changed, and you know, it's working out to be really cool. Thank you very much for stopping by. This is like a video that was not supposed to be, but is as a result of the glass actually breaking. But you know, this just teaches me a lesson, and let's see how much I can put this lesson into play. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to share, like, and subscribe, and join me in the next video as I share another interesting insight on fish keeping in Jamaica. My name is Raleigh. I'm from Jamaica. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Peace out.